गजानन दीनावना पाहि गजानन दीनावना सिन्धुरवदना श्रितजनपालना सिन्धुरवदना श्रितजनपालना पाहि गजानन दीनावना अंबिकातनया अमराधीश्वर अंबिकातनया अमराधीश्वर अगणित गुणगण आनंददायक अगणित गुणगण आनंददायक पाहि गजानन दीनावना. Okay, where are you? I need to see you. There you are. Okay. So, I know you may have already heard this bhajan. Some of you may already have. But these are the bhajans that came to my mind. I apologize if it is a very familiar bhajan for you. But Aparna also knows this bhajan. We're going to have some little bit variations, maybe difference, and so I will work with her so that everybody can get an idea also. Is that okay, Aparna?
Yes, Auntie.
We're going to break each line a little bit so that we'll go slow. Pahi gajananam
पाहि गजानन
पाहि गजाननम
पाहि गजानन
दीनावना
दीनावना
दीनावना.
दीनावना.
I want upfront tell all the audience I'm correcting her not because my variation is the right variation. That's the variation I have been singing, so I'm correcting her to match to what I'm singing. But if somebody's used to heard it from somebody else, and then you're always welcome to sing that way. But for this session, I'm just going to work with Aparna so we can match. But doesn't mean that this is the way it has to be sung either. Pahi gajananam
पाहि गजानन
दीनावना
दीनावना
सिन्धुरवदना
सिन्दूरवदना
सिन्धुरवदना
सिन्दूरवदना
श्रितजनपालना
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 सिन्धुरवदना श्रितजनपालना
सिन्दूरवदना श्रितजनपालना पा
You need to come to me.
पा
Lana
लना
श्रितजनपालना
श्रितजनपालना
पापा सने
पालना
सिन्धुरवदना श्रितजनपालना
सिन्दूरवदना श्रितजनपालना
Tanirisa.
पालना.
Can you sing that line?
सिन्दूरवदना श्रितजना
recommend bringing after the Dishwara, bringing it down. Stay right there. Dishwara.
Dishwara.
Sing that line, honey.
Ambika Tanaya Amaradeshwara.
Beautiful. You got a beautiful voice, by the way. Aganitam.
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 Gunaganam.
Gunaganam.
Aganita gunaganam.
Aganita Gunaganam.
Ananda.
Ananda.
Dayaka.
Anandadayaka.
Dayaka.
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 Aganita gunaganam.
Aganita Gunagana.
Ananda.
Ananda.
Dayaka.
Dayaka.
Like I said, all these twists and turns we are doing are not necessary for a bhajan to do. As long as we are singing in the ragam and the transition from one note to another is still within the beat and then within the tune, we are good to go. All these additional things are not necessary to sing a bhajan. I just want to keep that out there for people. It little bit sounds like a little bit too classical when we're singing. That's because this is a little bit classical side. But if you cannot do, anybody cannot do all those variations, it's okay as long as you don't miss the beat. So now can we do it each line, the whole line, or you want to break and practice any way that you want to clear it?
We can do the whole line, Auntie.
Okay. Pahi gajanana dinavana.
Pahi Gajanana Dinavana.
Pahi gajanana dinavana.
Pahi Gajanana Dinavana.
Sinduravadana Shritachana palana.
Sinduravadana Shritajana Palana.
I want to fix even Sinduravadana. Sometimes when we sing it correctly and land in the right note, so the next note that we are starting will flow easier. Okay? Sinduravadana.
Sinduravadana.
Shritachana palana.
Shritajana Palana. Palana.
Sinduravadana Shritachana palana.
Sinduravadana Shritajana Palana.
Pahi gajanana dinavana.
Pahi Gajanana Dinavana.
Ambika tanaya amaradeshwara.
Ambika Tanaya Amaradeshwara.
So second variation, if you can make it happen, you can. If not, it's okay too. अगणित गुण गण आनंददायक.
आनंददायक.
Okay, same thing, double Rama comes there. So since you are so good with the percussion, it will fall very nicely also on the beat side. अगणित गुण गण आनंददायक.
अगणित गुण गण आनंददायक.
Ananda, you may have to have a split second beat there, timing there. Otherwise you won't fit it.
अगणित गुण गण आनंददायक.
So you're doing a triple dayaka, so you need, it's good to do even Ananda also triple. Again, it's only if it comes out naturally without worrying about it or being stressed about it. Oh my God, oh that bit variation is coming, I hope I can do it. None of that. We need to enjoy the bhajan more than anything. So if that doesn't happen, it's fine, it's okay. For me, because that's how I heard it and then I learned it and then I sang it few times. So it's coming out. It's not that I'm qualified or anything, none of that. If practice, if somebody can make it happen, by all means we should go for it. If it doesn't, by all means go for it also. अगणित गुण गण आनंददायक.
अगणित गुण गण आनंददायक.
अगणित गुण, if you want that masala extra, अगणित गुण गण आनंददायक.
अगणित गुण गण आनंददायक.
When you are singing second speed, that particular variation is very tricky because you really have to sing faster. So my advice to everybody or my suggestion to everybody is we can skip that variation in the second speed totally because that's a very tricky one. You want to try that. We will try that. Okay, I can see it. पाहि गजानन दीनावना.
पाहि गजानन दीनावना.
सिन्धुरवदना श्रितजनपालना.
सिन्दूरवदना श्रितजनपालना.
We are singing in the second speed, so we are slowing down because you're thinking about that variation. So keep the rhythm main thing, and then can you try that?
सिन्दूरवदना श्रितजनपालना.
Sinduravadana. Stop right there.
सिन्दूरवदना
श्रितजनपालना.
श्रितजनपालना.
सिन्धुरवदना श्रितजनपालना.
सिन्दूरवदना श्रितजनपालना.
पाहि गजानन दीनावना.
पाहि गजानन दीनावना.
अंबिकतनया अमराधीश्वर.
अंबिकतनया अमराधीश्वर.
अगणित गुणगण आनंददायक.
अगणित गुणगण आनंददायक.
अगणित गुणगण आनंददायक.
अगणित गुणगण आनंददायक.
So if we don't now do that shaking of the voice there. Aganita guna gana anandadayaka.
ಅಗಣಿತ ಗುಣಗಣ ಆನಂದದಾಯಕ
Aganita.
ಅಗಣಿತ
Can you sing that line?
ಅಗಣಿತ ಗುಣಗಣ ಆನಂದದಾಯಕ.
There you go. So that's the second speed also. So I like you to sing slow speed or second speed, whichever speed you pick, and I will follow you. One speed, one of the speeds. Which one are you going to sing?
I'll do the first speed.
Okay.
You want me to sing twice, Auntie? Every line twice?
Yeah, sure.
पाहि गजानन दीनावना
पाहि गजानन दीनावना.
पाहि गजानन दीनावना
पाहि गजानन दीनावना.
सिन्दूरवदना श्रितजनपालना
सिन्दूरवदना श्रितजनपालना.
सिन्दूरवदना श्रितजनपालना
सिन्दूरवदना श्रितजनपालना.
पाहि गजानन दीनावना
पाहि गजानन दीनावना.
अंबिका तनया अमराधीश्वर
अंबिका तनया अमराधीश्वर.
अंबिका तनया अमराधीश्वर
अंबिका तनया अमराधीश्वर.
अगणित गुणगण आनंददायक
अगणित गुणगण आनन्ददायक.
अगणित गुणगण आनंददायक
अगणित गुणगण आनन्ददायक.
पाहि गजानन दीनावना